Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's SEO tips and tricks video, I want to discuss a SEO tip that will help with your ORM. So ORM, just so we're both on the same page, is your online reputation management. And a study that was conducted by the Spiegel Research Group concluded that negative reviews establish credibility. So negative reviews may establish credibility, but as you know, as an SEO or an SEO consultant, that you might have clients that run across reviews that are showing up on the first page that are directly impacting your clients. So this SEO tip has to do with, I had this exact problem, this exact trouble, that a client had a particular review on a website, and I actually stumbled across a way to not totally remove the review from that site, but a way to remove a review from the SERP. So back to this Spiegel research. So the first 10 reviews that your potential customer reads will directly impact how they purchase and how they view your business. Based on their research, we found that nearly all of the increase in purchase likelihood occurs within the first 10 reviews, and the first 5 reviews drive the bulk of this increase. So I want to share a tip, a trick that I stumbled across that will help you remove a review off of the SERP. So how I stumbled across this was very simple. Let's say there was a site, okay? And this is a review site, okay? A review site. And they had X amount of reviews on the page. I was taking the review word for word and putting it onto my client's site, okay? I was taking that review word for word and putting it onto the client's site. But what I was doing was putting a response from my buyer, right? This was a response regarding the review. Now, what I found was when I was taking the review word for word and then taking my response and putting it onto my client's website, and then I was taking that page and getting it indexed, I found that over the course of time, generally within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I found that that particular review, that particular SERP had changed. So I did this with other reviews from other websites as a test to see, was this a fluke or will this continue to work? And as I found out and as I concluded that this particular SEO tip, this SEO trick was continuously working. So this SEO trick, this SEO tip for ORM in 2020 is simply this. If you have a website and it is showing up on Google on the first page and there is a bad review, take that review word for word. Take it and put it onto your website. Now you can do like I did and you could put a response, you could do whatever you would like, but then get that review word for word indexed. Get it indexed on Google. Then give it some time, give it 2 or 3 weeks, and then go and check the SERP. Search how that bad review was showing up in the past, and you will see that Google is actually giving credit to your website instead of their website, not usually Yelp, but other websites, Glassdoor, SiteJab, or there's tons of them out there. But find the review, put it on your site, get it indexed. Google will give your site the credit for the review before that website. The SERP will change, and that review will then be buried in the SERP. It'll still be hosted on that website, but it will no longer show up in the SERP. And that will conclude today's SEO trick and SEO tip for ORM for 2020. Please go ahead, increase your business. I hope that this tip has helped you. I hope that this is something that will help your business drive more sales. If you have any questions regarding this SEO tip or trick for ORM in 2020, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, local SEO, digital marketing video. Have a wonderful day.